hello. I came out to measure our snow. This is coming down pretty good. I'm seeing about 4 inches in places. We're in Cameron Mills, New York, during this snowstorm that's coming down. See the Canisteo River here. And you can see the ice on the river. There's a bridge. Shiloh's over there. Looks like she's got her eye on something. Down that riverbank. Yeah, I'm talking about you. What do you see down there? What is that? Huh? You see something. And you can see the Cameron Mills Bridge here. You can see the river in places. There's free flow, and other places there's the ice. And there's the boat launch. Just a tiny bit. Yeah. You can see the snow a lot better, like on Shiloh, where it's dark, pretty windy. And it's so dark there, you can really see it on her. You see our house here. Canisteo River. My bird feeder's over there. We got a lot of pictures. Get a lot of pictures of the birds in this weather. That wind's picking up. Shiloh, she's something else. It's just about close to 12:30 here now. In Elmira they had 7 inches or so. Looks like we've only had about 4, maybe 5 places, depending on where you're measuring. Let me show you my picnic table. You see our pine tree back there. Willow tree. Well, you all stay inside, stay warm. Just wanted you to see what it was like from outside. It's still coming down good here. Have a good day.